Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from a credit debit card to a Cash App. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Cash App, then tap the profile icon. This is in the top right corner. Tap Linked Banks. You can find this underneath Personal. A top-up menu will appear. Tap Link Bank. If you have existing banks or cards linked, they will appear in a list underneath the account's header. You may see Link Credit Card instead. Then tap Continue. Cash App uses Plate to link your bank account. Select your bank. You will see popular banks listed at the time. Use the search bar to find another bank. Your bank's login page will open. After that, enter your credentials and log in with the email address or username and password associated with your online banking account. Verify your identity. In most cases, you will need to provide a security code. Select text to receive the code via SMS or email to receive the code via email. Enter the code on the next page. Then tap Submit. If you have a checking and savings account, select which one you want to link to your Cash App and tap Continue. When your bank account is linked, you will see Bank Account was successfully linked. You can now use your bank to transfer funds into your Cash Card. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.